An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and so does a daily dose of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from apples and has a characteristic amber color. Over the centuries, apple cider vinegar has been used for many purposes: making pickles, killing weeds, cleaning coffee makers, polishing armor, and dressing salads. Apple cider vinegar is also one of the most popular go-to ingredients in your kitchen, offering many natural health benefits. It is rich in minerals, like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, and copper, as well as vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, and E, bioflavonoids, and pectin. Moreover, due to its acetic acid content, apple cider vinegar helps your body absorb essential minerals from the foods you eat. Here are the top 5 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. For best results, use organic, raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Number 1. Controls blood sugar. Your body produces insulin to manage the level of sugar in your blood. The anti-glycemic effects of apple cider vinegar help improve insulin sensitivity. People who have insulin resistance should have a dose of apple cider vinegar with each meal. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of filtered water. Drink this 3 times daily to steady your stomach's digestion rate, which in turn increases the time your body has to process new sugars and keeps your blood sugar levels more stable. Number 2. Whitens teeth. If you are embarrassed because you have yellow teeth, apple cider vinegar is a cheap and simple way to restore your teeth's natural pearly white sheen. Apple cider vinegar helps remove stains and kill bacteria in your mouth and gums. All you need to do is gargle with apple cider vinegar every morning and then brush your teeth as usual. Regularly eating apples also helps, as the crunchy fruit scrubs your teeth like a toothbrush. Number 3. Treats constipation. Apple cider vinegar contains pectin, a water-soluble fiber that promotes bowel movements. This makes it a great natural treatment for constipation. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and drink it 3 times a day. You can add apple or grape juice to the mix to make it more palatable. Number 4. Promotes weight loss. Regular consumption of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar can also promote weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of acetic acid. Studies have found that obese people who consumed acetic acid daily for 12 weeks enjoyed a significant decrease in body weight, abdominal fat, waist circumference, and triglycerides. The acetic acid also helps prevent buildup of body fat and certain liver fats. Number 5. Nourishes Hair. A solution of apple cider vinegar and water, mixed in equal proportions, makes a wonderful natural hair conditioner. It helps nourish the hair, giving it a shine and soft texture. It's also effective as a home remedy for dandruff. Apple cider vinegar destroys the fungus that causes dandruff and restores the pH balance of the scalp. To treat dandruff, apply a 50-50 mixture of water and apple cider vinegar to the scalp, leave it on for 15 minutes to an hour and then rinse it out. Follow this remedy once or twice in a week. These were some health benefits of apple cider vinegar. If you have any idea regarding apple cider vinegar, then do share with us in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.